Today, you will learn how to add Superscript in Microsoft Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Microsoft Word document and select the text or number that you want to turn into Superscript. After selecting the text, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Font section, click on the Superscript button. As soon as you click it, your selected text will move slightly above the normal text line and become smaller, which creates the superscript effect. You can also use a faster method with keyboard shortcuts. Simply highlight the text you want to format as superscript and press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus sign on Windows. This instantly applies superscript formatting without opening any menus. If you want more control over formatting, select your text and again go to the Home tab. In the Font group, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Font dialog box. Here, you will see an option called Superscript. Check the box and click OK. This method is useful because it gives you access to more font settings and formatting options in one place. To adjust superscript formatting, select the superscript text and open the Font dialog box again. From here, you can change the font style, font size, text color, and other effects to match your document design. This is helpful when you want your mathematical expressions, references, or footnotes to look clean and professional. If you need to insert special superscript characters like numbers or symbols, place your cursor where you want the character to appear. Go to the Insert tab, click Symbol, and choose More Symbols. In the Symbol window, open the Subset drop-down menu and select Superscripts and Subscripts. Choose the character you need and click Insert. To remove superscript formatting, simply select the superscript text and click the Superscript button again from the Home tab. This will turn the formatting off and return the text to normal. You can also use the same keyboard shortcut again to disable it. Another quick way to remove accidental formatting is by pressing Ctrl plus Spacebar on Windows or Command plus Spacebar on Mac, which clears direct formatting and resets the text. I hope you have learned how to add Superscript in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel.